Hello and welcome my friend to this awesome video. My name is OneSkill and today I will show you how you can create a social media slide in PowerPoint. This video was inspired by my buddy Yo-Yo from slidecow.com. In this video we will be creating this awesome Twitter social media slide. And before we jump straight into the action, I want to give you a couple of tips for you to enjoy this tutorial even more. So first of all, turn on your favorite music in the background because I'm not using any music, so that you are completely free to listen to anything that you want. And secondly, I am activating the shortcuts, so you can follow all of the shortcuts that I'm using on the top left corner of the slide. Okay, so let's go to slidecow.com, to my buddy's website, and he has some awesome templates, and today we want to dive deep into the Strive template. And there are a lot of beautiful slides, and what really caught my eye were these beautiful social media slides. As you can see, we have Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and let's do this Twitter slide together. Okay, and let's find out how hard or how easy it is to do it. So let's go to PowerPoint and let's open up a fresh blank new presentation. If you see these kind of rectangles, these are just placeholders. We don't need them, so we just choose a blank layout. So let's check out again the original slide. So you can see here that there is a yellow rectangle. So let me show how you can do something like this yourself. Just go to Insert, Shapes, grab a rectangle tool and just draw a rectangle. Make sure that your rectangle touches the edges of the slide. And here you can leave as much or as little white space as you want. So I think it's something like this. Maybe a little bit more, as in the original slide by SlideCow. And we can remove the outline. So let's click on No Outline. And for the color of the rectangle, we can make it yellow, or we can actually find a Twitter icon somewhere on the internet. So just type in Twitter icon PNG on Google Images, you'll find a bunch of icons. So let's just copy this one, paste it into PowerPoint, and we can actually select our rectangle, go to Format, grab eyedropper tool, and just copy this color from the Twitter icon. That's awesome. And for the icon, to make it white, we can right click on it, go to Format Picture, go to Picture Correction, and on the brightness slider, just drag the slider to 100%, and this way you will make your icon completely white. So that's awesome. That's what we need. So increase the size of the icon according to your taste. Now we can select with the Shift key the icon and the rectangle and align everything to the center so everything looks beautiful. Nice. So let's go back to SlideCow website, and I will put a link in the video description so you can check out this awesome template by yourself, because there's of course a lot of beautiful slides that we are not able to cover everything here. So the next thing we have to do is we have to add this text box. So this is slide title, then smaller text, and this text box with some outline. So let's start with this slide title. So let's go to Insert, let's choose Text Box, click anywhere here, and let's just type in social media. Let's give it a font size of 60. Let's choose a Lato black font, and let's center everything inside of this text box. Okay. Now let's hit Ctrl D to duplicate. Let's change the font to Lato Light. Let's reduce the font to maybe something around 20. And let's find some beautiful text that we can paste inside of our text box. So I think this paragraph looks nice. So let's just copy it and let's paste it into our text box. And let's zoom out and drag our text box so everything fits nicely inside. Yep, something like this. We can, I guess, even make the text maybe 17 or something like this, so it's a bit smaller. Okay, and now all we have to do is create this text box with a outline, with some outline. So we can actually duplicate this text box. We can type in 1 million followers. Let's reduce the font size a little bit, maybe to 50. And let's add a outline. So just go to Format, Shape Outline. Let's choose this same blue color and let's add some weight to it. And let's actually reduce the size of our rectangle so we have more space on this white side. Again, let's center the Twitter icon here. Okay, and for these guys, let's adjust them a little bit as well so everything looks nice. We can select all of these three objects while holding down the Shift key. Let's go to Align Options and click on Center, so everything is centered, and we can make sure that vertical space is equal between them as well, so everything looks beautiful. So let's check it once again with the original slide. So yeah, I think we've done it. So yeah, beautiful. And in my slide that I showed you in the beginning of the tutorial, as you can see, I have made this text blue and this text box filled with blue color as well. So we can do it here as well. So let's add this blue color to the text. And here we can remove the outline and fill it with this blue color. And for the text, we can give a white color, and I guess let's reduce the size to 40 so we have more space around this text box. And beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you can create a beautiful social media slide. And as I mentioned before, please check out the link in the video description for this awesome Stripe template. I always call it Stripe template. It's Stripe template by Keycastow. So if you want a modern, clean, simple, multi-purpose template that is aimed to inspire your audience, so ladies and gentlemen, this is a template for you. So thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and see you in my next video.